GLI's Illuminating Your Career Path internship program is a paid summer internship opportunity. Our main goal really is to create a more inclusive and diverse work environment while also giving students the opportunity to learn and contribute to meaningful work and to hopefully have them stay at GLI beyond the internship.
I found a position at GLI and I thought it was a good match. They were offering a very good pay and it was a dream come true for me.
We evaluate math files for compliance with regulatory regulations. In short terms, I check someone else's homework.
I came in as an intern. I was still finishing up school. I was pretty much immediately doing really meaningful work, contributing to a lot of projects and doing a lot of important things.
This internship changed my life and I'm really thankful for that.
For anyone who's interested in an internship, I would definitely suggest it. It is a great experience.
Come join us at GLI.